The unable to charge warning is one of the most common issues affecting Chevy Bolt owners, particularly those with 2017 through 2023 model years. Understanding what causes this warning is the first step to resolving it. When this warning appears, your Bolt's computer system automatically logs diagnostic trouble codes that help identify the root cause. These codes can be accessed using specialized diagnostic equipment. The unable to charge warning stems from four main categories of problems. First, charging port issues including physical damage, corrosion, debris, or connector misalignment. Second, onboard charger malfunctions, which can include internal component failures, overheating protection activation, or software glitches in the charging control module. Third, high-voltage battery system problems such as battery management system faults, individual cell imbalances, or temperature sensor malfunctions. Finally, external charging equipment issues, including EVSE faults, ground fault circuit interrupter trips, or communication errors between the vehicle and charging station. The Chevy Bolt's electric powertrain is a complex system with multiple interconnected components. Each component can potentially cause charging issues, making proper diagnosis essential. When the unable to charge warning appears, your Bolt automatically logs diagnostic trouble codes. These codes can be retrieved using GM's Global Diagnostic System, known as GDS2, or compatible OBD2 scanners. Recent GM technical service bulletins have introduced improved diagnostic procedures and software updates. The latest OnStar and infotainment system updates include enhanced error reporting that provides more specific fault codes, helping technicians identify root causes more efficiently. Understanding these four main cause categories and the diagnostic system gives you the foundation needed to effectively troubleshoot and resolve unable to charge warnings on your Chevy Bolt. When your Chevy Bolt shows an unable to charge warning, start with this basic reset procedure that resolves many charging issues. Next, inspect your charging port for physical issues. Look for damage, corrosion, or debris that could prevent proper connection. Try different charging methods to isolate the problem. Test both level 1 and level 2 charging, and try different charging stations if possible. Ensure your Bolt software is current. Many charging issues are resolved through software updates available at GM dealers. If basic troubleshooting fails, advanced solutions may require component replacement. Here are the typical costs for major repairs. Prevent future charging issues with regular maintenance and smart charging habits. These simple practices can extend your charging system's life. Most charging issues can be resolved successfully. Here are the key statistics that show the effectiveness of proper troubleshooting.